Good morning, children. Welcome to your maths class. In this session, we will understand about neighboring numbers, ascending order and descending order, and forming of two-digit numbers. So let's start. So children, what do you see on the screen? Yes, there are houses and there are people who live in that house. These people, they are next to our house. They are very close to us. They talk to us. They are very friendly with us. They help us when we are not there, or they take care of our house because they are near us. So who are they? Yes, they are our neighbors. Similarly, today we will be doing something wherein we will be finding out the neighboring numbers. What are neighboring numbers? So as I told you that neighbors means those are the people who live next to our house, who are very close to us. Same way, neighboring numbers are those numbers which are near or which comes before and after a given number. We have a number line wherein we have all the numbers written one after the other. Here we will try to find out the neighboring numbers of number 18. So children, you can see on the number line the numbers near 18, that is the number before 18 is 17 and the number after 18 is 19. So the neighboring numbers of the number 18 are 17 and 19. So basically neighboring numbers means the numbers that come before and after a given number. So children, let's try to find out the neighboring numbers of the number that are given here. Let's put on our thinking cap. So the first number is 26 and let's find out one less, that is the number before 26 and the number after 26. So the number before 26 is 25 and number after 26 is 27. So 25, 26 and 27. Now the number before 80 is 79 and the number after 80 is 81. Children, now you also try to find out the neighboring numbers of the rest of the numbers that are given here in the table. I hope you might have finished it. So it is 88. What comes before 88? Yes, it's 87. And after 88? Correct, it's 89. So if you read it, it's 88, 87, 88 and 89. The number before 91 is 90 and that after 91 is 92. Now here even if we are talking about a three-digit number, the number before 100 is 99 and the number after 100 is 101. So children, in this way, by taking one less and one more of the given number, we can find out the neighboring numbers of the given number. So children, now we will start with the next topic, that is ascending and descending order. Before starting, let's understand what do you mean by ascending order. As you see in the picture, the arrow mark moves from down to up, that is smallest to largest. That means ascending order means to write numbers in order from smallest number to biggest number or the largest number given to you. So here if I tell you that I have the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 and they are in the ascending order, That means it starts from 1, which is the smallest number, and it ends at 4, which is the largest number or the biggest number in the group. Now let's understand what is descending order. Descending order means to write numbers in the order from biggest or the largest number to the smallest number. So children, remember, the biggest number comes first in the descending order, and then we move on to the smaller, and at the end the smallest number. So children, just remember, ascending order is increasing order and descending order means decreasing order. Here you can see that there are 4 numbers given to you. Let us try to read them: 49, 15, 83 and 26. Let's find out how to write the numbers in ascending, that is increasing, and descending, that is decreasing order. Now, first rule, or the rule that we need to follow, is the same as what we discussed in comparing numbers. Here we are comparing among 4 numbers. So we will be comparing the tens place of all the numbers first, and then we will compare the units place. So let's find out the tens place of all the numbers. So in 49, 4, 15, 1, 83, 8 and 26 is 2. So we have all the tens place. Now here we will compare them, and we know that the biggest number in the tens place is 8. So our first number that we are writing is 83. As soon as you write it, please cross it so that you don't repeat that number when you are comparing the other numbers. Now after 83 we are left with 49, 15 and 26. Out of them, when we compare the tens place, we know that 4 is the biggest number. So the next number is 49 and we'll cross it. Then comes 26 and the last number is 15. So here I have written the numbers as in a sequence, that is 83, 49, 26 and 15. Now as I have written from the biggest number to the smallest number, I will write from the smallest number to biggest number also. Before that, let's see. So 83 is greater than 49, 49 is greater than 26 and 26 is greater than 15. That is 83 is the biggest and 15 is the smallest number. Now let's write the other sequence. That is 15, 26, 49 and 83. Now here 15 is less than 26, 26 is less than 49 and 49 is less than 83. So children, now you have to tell me that the increasing order from 15 to 83 will be called as ascending order. That's right. So what about the next one? That is the biggest number to the smallest number, or in the decreasing order? Yes, that is called as the descending order. So in this way we have put the numbers given to us in ascending order and descending order. Here we have got another set of numbers, that is 44, 49, 43 and 46, and we have to write these numbers in the ascending and descending order. So children, are you ready with your thinking cap? Okay, so let us revise the rule, and if you remember, We have already discussed this rule in the topic of comparing numbers. Here, the rule is comparing the tens place first and then the units place. So here if you see, we will find out or we will understand that 44, 49, 43 and 46 have the same tens place, that is, have the same number in the tens place, that is number 4. So children, can we compare it using the tens place? No. So now we have to find out the numbers those are in the units place. These numbers are 4, 9, 3 and 6. Now if we compare 4, 9, 3 and 6, let us try to write in the ascending order. Before that, let's revise. Ascending order means small to big. Okay, so that means smallest number first, then moving on to the biggest number. So out of 4, 9, 3 and 6, which is the smallest number? 3, correct. So which number will we write first? It's 43, correct, and we will cross that number. After 3, which is the next biggest number, or you can say the next smallest number, that is 44. After 4, which is the next smallest number out of 49 and 46? Yes, 6 is the smallest number, so our next number is 46. And the last one is 49. So children, this is the way you can solve the given numbers and write it in the ascending order. Now we will write it in the descending order. Let's revise. Descending order means in the decreasing order. That is from the biggest number to the smallest number. That is, now out of these numbers, which is the biggest number? Yes, you're right. 9 is the biggest number in the units place. So our first number in descending order will be 49. 49 is greater than, the next number will be 46. 46 is greater than 44 and 44 is greater than 43. So children, this is how we will be solving the sums from the textbook and in our classwork book for writing down the ascending order and descending order of the given numbers. Now our next topic is formation of numbers or to make numbers, and that we will do with the help of the digits that are given to us. Before starting, we have to remember that to form a two-digit number, we write the digits in the tens and the units place. Here, we do not repeat the given digits while making the number. The number, like I have given an example, the number 03 is a single digit number because it is same as the number 3. So even if you write 0 in the tens place, that is not said to be a two-digit number. So that means to form a two-digit number, we cannot write 0 in the tens place. So children, once you remember these rules, it will be very easy for you to solve the sums of and form different numbers. So children, now let's solve some exercise. Read the following digits and form two-digit numbers using those digits. This is our question. Following are the digits given to us. Let's start from the first one, 5 and 9. So if we put 5 in the tens place and 9 in the units place, because Let's revise. If we have to form a two-digit number, we have to write the digits in the tens and units place. Then we cannot repeat the digits to form a number. And the last rule, we cannot put 0 in the tens place, because if we put 0 in the tens place and any other digit in the units place, it is same as a single digit number. So children, let's start. Our first digits given to us are 5 and 9. So 5 in the tens place, 9 in the units place, we get 59, and 9 in the tens place and 5 in the units place, we get 95. So here only two numbers are formed. With the digits given in the second question, that is 6, 4 and 8, we can form 6 in the tens place and other two digits we will put it in the units place one after the other. That is 6 in the tens place and 4 in the units place is 64. Then 6 in the tens place and 8 in the units place is 68. Similarly, we will do 4 in the tens place and 6 in the units place is 46. And 4 in the tens place and 8 in the units place is 48. And the last two numbers that we form are 86 and 84. Now let's do 2 and 0 are the digits given. And here we can form 2 in the tens place and 0 in the units place, that is 20, and 0 in the tens place and 2 in the units place. But children, I hope you remember, if we put 0 in the tens place, then it is not a two-digit number. Here 02 means just 2. So that cannot be a two-digit number. So with the digits 2 and 0, we can form only one number, that is 20. Now the next three digits given to us are 3, 8 and 0. Similarly, we will make the numbers as 3 in the tens place and 8 in the units place, 38. Then 3 in the tens place and 0 in the units place is 30. Then we can form 8 in the tens place, 3 in the units place as 83, and 8 in the tens place and 0 in the units place as 80. Now if I put 0 in the tens place, then children, can we form the number? 0 in the tens place and 3 in the units place will make just 3. It's a single digit number. So 08 and 03 are single digit numbers, so we cannot write it in, or we cannot form that number here. Now let's go to the next question. That's the last exercise. 06 and 01, we cannot make these as a two-digit number, so we will start from 6 in the tens place and 0 in the units place is 60. 6 in the tens place and 1 in the units place is 61. Similarly, 1 and 0, 10. 1 and 6 is 16. So children, this is how we can solve and we can make two-digit numbers using the digits that are given to us. So children, I hope you have understood all the different topics that we covered in this session. Thank you.